Are you serious? Are you serious? You're getting too fat, you can't eat. That's it. You sit up when you eat. Don't eat like a slob. And eat your carrots. Carrots. Look, easy. Here. Nothing. Ah, carrots. No. Don't give me back talk. Eat your carrots. You want strong eyes? There you go. That was one. There you go. Look at you. I go back at your food. You're getting too angry. We're gonna have to go to pigeon anger management. Don't protect it. I gave you the food, silly. Look at you talking back to Daddy. Get over there and eat. Dad, up. Be nice. There you go. Come on, just plunk in. Come on, almost there. You got this. What? Come on. There you go. Nice and warm. You forgot a little on your left side. A little over here. A little over there. There you go. There's my girl. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get the finger. It's like a giant worm. There you go. Back up a little so you hit your head. There you go. Ain't that better? Yeah, fluff up. Look how pretty and clean you are.